Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to simply insert image in Google Docs. So but before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so let's say for instance this particular text right here, I want to insert image from the side corner, from the left side corner right here to form something like newspaper format. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply highlight all the text. Then having highlight all the text, next thing you need to do is to come to indent right here. Click on here to show the indent. Then right here you can increase the indent. Depends on how the picture is going to be built. Next thing you want to do is to simply exit from the text indent and then head over to your insert tab right here, and then head over to your insert tab. Okay, and for you to access your insert tab, just come to the top right there, click on insert. The next thing you need to do is go to images, and then under the image, then you can insert image from different formats, upload from computer, from Google Drive, from photo, from camera, by URL. Next thing we want to do, I'm going to select the picture from my PC right here. I will simply click on upload from computer. Click on that. It takes me to where I have my picture. Then I can simply locate the picture from my PC gallery right here. So I'm going to simply insert this picture right there, and I'll click on open. Now we have the picture right there. Then we want to make sure that we adjust this picture. I'm going to simply click on it. Then we can simply drag from the top right here and continue to adjust the picture until you are satisfied with the size. So I'm going to simply continue to adjust. Okay, you continue to adjust. Then for you to wrap the text around the image to make sure you have the right format, what you need to do is to come down below right here where you have different format, wrap text right here. So you can see this is one of the formats right here. Then alternatively, I can simply take it to other side. So I'm going to you can simply take it to other side right here, and or better still, you can take it back. Then right here, you can simply adjust the text. This is depends on what exactly you want to achieve. Then you can go back to the text right here and work on your indent. So you can decrease the indent. So and then you go back to the image, adjust the image, and make sure everything fall in line based on your page setup, as you can see right there. So I need to adjust this image to come to the top a little bit so it's formed in line with the text, just like so. And you can see right there everything is being aligned properly. Then I can simply select the text again. Then I can adjust the image. I can increase the image size from this corner right here and make sure everything aligned properly. So this is depends on exactly what you really want to achieve. Then I can highlight all the text here, and I make sure that I decrease the text size. So come to the minus sign right here and decrease the text size. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. You just have to continue to work on the format until you are fully satisfied. So I'm going to simply select image again. Then I still want it to be aligned to the proper top. Then it's as simple as that. So everything has been fully aligned. So you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to insert text and how you can align, wrap it around the text in Google Docs. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.